How to activate smart downloads on Netflix in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in Netflix homepage, now you can select the profile you want to use. So for my example, I use Richard profile. Here in homepage of Richard profile, okay, tap the My Netflix on the lower right side on your screen. And after that, tap the three line on the upper right side on your screen. And you can see the pop-up below. And tap the app settings. Here in app settings, in the download section, you can see here the smart download. Okay, you can tap this and you can see the option here. So there are two options. So you can set the smart download into download next episode, or you can set into download for you. So if you want to use the download next episode, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And if this turn on, will grab the next episode of a show you downloaded and delete the one you already watched. So if you want to use the download for you, okay, switch off the switch button on the right side of this download next episode and switch on the switch button on the right side of this download for you to use this. So if this turn on, we'll find show and movie we think you like and save them on your device. So how many gig or gigabytes do you want to use? So 0.25 gig is about 1 hour of show and movie in standard quality. So for my example, in Richard profile, so I set the gig into 0.5. So this is a 2 movie, almost 2 movie. So because 0.25 gig is about 1 hour. So okay guys, that's it.